Hello students, welcome to your channel Parivartan Physics. In this video, we'll see 5 marks most important numerical problems from alternating current. We have analyzed all 3 model papers released by the board, and we know in every model paper there is one 5 mark numerical from alternating current. So sure shot you are going to get one 5 mark numerical from alternating current. So in this video, I have covered almost all the types of numericals which will be asked in alternating current. So by solving these problems, you will get a very good grip on the numericals on alternating current, and surely you can solve any kind of question which is asked from alternating current. See, from chapter 1 and chapter 3, electric charges and fields as well as current electricity, I have already solved the numericals and I have uploaded the videos. If you want, you can check the videos. You can go through the videos also. You will get a very good grip on the numerical problems, right? Okay, let us begin the video then. See, here, first question is, a resistor of 50 ohm, resistance is given, inductance of 10 millihenry, inductance is given, capacitance of 20 microfarad, capacitance is given. LCR circuit are connected in a series of 220 volt, 50 hertz AC source. Calculate impedance we have to calculate impedance, current, power factor under cos pi, and phase difference calculate ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, and we have to check whether does current leads or lags the voltage, current leading adano lagging adano adannu kuda ನಾವು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. See, impedance calculate ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ this is the series LCR circuit. So series LCR circuit the impedance the formula ಏನ್ರಿ, Z is equal to root of R square plus XL minus XC whole square, right? So Z calculate ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ R ಬೇಕಾ, XL ಬೇಕಾ, XC ಬೇಕಾ. So first calculate XL and XC, right? So to calculate XL, I will use the formula of XL. Formulas ಗಳನ್ನು ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರೀರಿ. 2 pi FL, this is the formula of XL, right? So this will be 2 pi into F is 50, F 50 anta kottidare namaga. How much is L? L is 10 millihenry, right? So let us multiply these things, okay? So we'll multiply and then we'll write it is 2 pi 2 into 3.142 into 50 into 10, right? So I will get it as 3142 into 10 to the power minus 3. If I remove 10 to the power minus 3, I will get it as 3.142 ohm. This much I will get. XL is equal to 3.142 ohm. Okay, I got XL. Next, we have to calculate XC. What is the formula of XC? XC is 1 divided by 2 pi FC. This is the formula of XC, right? Okay, so let us calculate this. 1 divided by 2 pi, F is 50. How much is C? C value is C is 20 microfarad. 20 micro means 10 to the power minus 6. I will take 10 to the power minus 6 to the numerator. So it is 10 to the power plus 6. So it is 2 pi into 50 into 20. Correct? So let us multiply these things then. 2 pi 2 into 3.142 into 50 into 20 into 20. So I will get it as 6284, right? 6284. So 10 raised to 6 divided by 6284 I will get, right? Okay, then how to solve this? See, 10 to the power 6 antandre, 10 to the power 6 means 1 2 3 4 5 6 zeros must be there, right? Divided by 6284, right? How much I will get? 159.13. So this is 159.13 ohm. This much will be the value of XC. XL and XC, these both are opposition to the AC. They will oppose the AC. It is called inductive reactance. It is called capacitive reactance. So the unit is ohm. Don't forget to write the unit. Unit barilik maribadri. Okay, you got the value of XL. You got the value of XC. Now let us calculate the value of Z. Z is equal to, we know very well, it is root of R square plus XL minus XC whole square. See, among XL and XC, which is greater? XC is greater. So this is capacitor dominant circuit. If XC is greater, it is capacitor dominant circuit. If XL is greater, it is inductor dominant circuit. Capacitor dominant circuit ittu, XC is greater than XL ittu pandra, current will be leading the voltage. XL is greater than XC ittu pandra, voltage will be leading the current, right? Okay, so first let us calculate Z now. Illi Z nodri, root of R square plus XC minus XL whole square ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ, right? So this will be root of R square. How much is R? R is 50. So this is 50 square plus XC minus XL. XC ನಮಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂದದ್ರಿ? How much is XC? 159.13. minus 3.142. Okay, so it is 155.99988. So I can take it as 156. Adana 156 togotini. 156. Okay, 156 square. So we'll solve this now. 50 square, it will be 2500. 156 square. Let us check 156 into 156. So this will give 24336. Okay, z is equal to, this is 2500 plus 24336, 24336, right? Add these both things, you add these both, okay, plus 2500, right? So we will get 26836, 26836, 26836, right? So we have to find out the root of this now. Itrada now root find madabeka. So root of 26836 is 163.81. 163.81. So z is equal to 163.81 ohm. This much is the value of z. So we calculated impedance. Next, let us calculate current. See, current calculate ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ we know very well Ohm's law is given by V is equal to I into R. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು R ಜಾಗದಾಗ we should take impedance, right? ಇಲ್ಲಿ whole opposition ತಗೋಬೇಕು ನಾವು. Opposition offered by resistor, inductor, capacitor. Total opposition ನಾವು impedance ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. So ನಂಗೆ I ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು. So I is equal to, it will be V by Z. So how much is V? V ನಮಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ? It is 220 volt, 220 volt divided by Z. How much is Z? Z is 163.81. Right? Okay, let us divide this now. It is 220 divided by 163.81. 163.81. So it is 1.343. So the current in the circuit is 1.343 ampere. This much is the current, right? So we got to know how much is the current now. Current now calculate ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ವಿ. Next, current is over. We'll go for power factor. See, power factor means cos pi is equal to, we know this very well, it is R divided by Z, right? So how much is R? R yesterday namaga, R is given, it is 50. R is given, it is 50 divided by how much is Z? Z yesterday 163.81. 163.81. So divide these both, you divide these both. 50 divided by 163, 163.81. 50 divided by 163.81. This is 0.3052. 0.3052 cos pi is equal to, we got. So power factor ನಮಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ಬಂತು. We got the power factor as 0.3052. Right? So we got the value of power factor. Next, we have to calculate the phase angle. So phase angle ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ pi is equal to cos inverse of 0.3052. 0.3052. This will check in the logbook. Okay, so let us check it in logbook. You should see here. You should open natural cosine table. Natural cosine, right? So natural cosine table ಒಳಗೆ ನೀವು ಅದನ್ನ ನೋಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. This is a natural tangent. Okay, here it is, natural cosine. So now number ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. How much is the number? 0.3052. 0.3052. So 0.3052 nearest number ಯಾವ್ದು ನೋಡ್ರಿ. See, first column ಒಳಗೆ 0 point ಅದ. 0 point is applicable for everything. ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ applicable ಅದ ಅಂತ ಅಂದಂಗ್ರಿ. 0.3052. 0.3052 we want. So where is 0.3052? See, closest number to that, 0.30. 0.3052. Okay, here it is. 0.3057 we are having. 0.3057. See, 0.3057. Here we have a number called as 0.3057. Okay, 0.3057 is closest to that. So it is in the row of 72 degree. 72 degree. Right? E column, e row ಒಳಗದ ನಮಗೆ, and it is in third column. Okay, let us check how much it will be. See, 72 and this is 0.2. So the answer will be 72.2 degrees. 72.2 degrees. This much will be the answer. Correct? 72.2 degrees. So pi is equal to 72.2 degrees. This much will be the phase difference. Okay, next, what they are asking? They are asking whether the current will lead or lag the voltage. See, current leads or lags the voltage depends upon the values of XL and XC. Since XC is greater than XL, current leads voltage. Leads current leads voltage, right? Suppose ನಮಗೆ XL is greater than XC ಇರ್ತೈತಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ voltage leads current ಅಥವಾ current lags behind voltage ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಹೇಳಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. So it depends upon the values of XL and XC. So here in this question, current leads voltage by 72.2 degree, right? Okay, let us go to the next question then. See, the next question is an inductor and a bulb. Inductor L, bulb, this is resistor. Bulb andre adondu resistor andangri. So it is LR circuit, LCR allidu. Inductor ಮತ್ತು resistor circuit ಅದು are connected in series to an AC source of 220 volt 50 hertz. A current of 11 ampere flows in the circuit and phase angle between voltage and current is pi by 4 radians. This is pi by 4 radians ಅಂದ್ರೆ 45 degree phase difference ನಮಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Calculate impedance and inductance of the circuit. Z we have to calculate and inductance L we have to calculate. ಇವೆರಡು values ಗಳನ್ನು ನಾವು calculate ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. Correct? Okay, so let us calculate Z and L in this case. See, ಈಗ ನಮಗೆ LR circuit adare. This is an LR circuit. So there is an inductor and there is a resistor. So this is connected to an AC source. LR circuit. So first, ನಮಗೆ voltage ಮತ್ತು frequency given ಅದ. Current is given. Current is also given. How much is the current? Current is 11 ampere. Phase difference is given. It is pi by 4 radians ಅಂದ್ರೆ 45 degree. Impedance ಮತ್ತು inductance ನಾವು calculate ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. See, voltage is given. Voltage ಮತ್ತು frequency given ಅದ. Current given ಅದ. Impedance ನಾವು calculate ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. See, impedance in this case will be root of R square plus XL square. ಇಷ್ಟು ನಮಗೆ ಇಂಪೆಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ XL minus XC ಬರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಕೆಪಾಸಿಟರ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. See, we know very well V is equal to I into Z. V is equal to current into opposition of the LR circuit Z. So ನಮಗೆ ಏನು ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ರಿ? We want Z first. Impedance ಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. So Z is equal to what I will get it as V divided by I. So V is given, I is given. How much is V? V ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ? V is 220. How much is I is 11. So 11 ones are 11 20s. So it is Z is equal to, I will get it as 20 ohm. Z is 20 ohm. Okay, I got the value of Z, impedance. Next we have to calculate inductance now. Inductance calculate ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. See, inductance means L ಯಾವ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಒಳಗೆ ಬರ್ತದ್ರಿ? L will come in the formula of XL is equal to 2 pi FL. So ನಾವು ಆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲ. We can calculate L from the formula XL is equal to 2 pi FL. Okay, before calculating L, we should know the value of XL. XL the value ನಮಗೆ ಬೇಕ್ರಿ, right? So how to calculate XL now? XL we can calculate by using this formula. ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೀವು XL calculate ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. So first XL calculate ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. See, Z is equal to, we having root of R square plus XL square. Squaring on both the sides, I will get it as Z square is equal to R square plus XL square. So ಇದನ್ನ XL square is equal to ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ I will get it as Z square minus R square, right? Z square minus R square. How much is Z? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ resistance is not given. Phase difference ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Resistance ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ. Phase difference is given. So by using phase difference we can calculate resistance. Resistance ನಾವು calculate ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. See how? Cos pi is equal to, we know very well it is R by Z, right? So R is equal to, it will be Z into cos pi. Pi ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟದ? 45 degree. Pi by 4. So it is R is equal to Z. Z ಎಷ್ಟದರಿ? Z is 20 ohm. Cos pi, cos 45 degree ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು? 1 by root 2, correct? So R ನಮಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತ್ರಿ? R is 20 divided by root 2, the value is 1.414, right? So let us calculate the value of this. We'll calculate the value of cos pi now. Okay, R value 20 divided by 1.414. So it is 14.144. So resistance is equal to 14.144 ohm. This much is the resistance. Next, we'll calculate XL then. XL calculate ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಾವು L calculate ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. Okay, XL calculate ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, Z is equal to root of R square plus XL square formula will use. So ಇದನ್ನ ನಾನು Z square is equal to, I will write it as R square plus XL square. So I want XL. So XL square will be equal to Z square minus R square, correct? So how much is Z? Z is 20. Z is 20, so 20 square minus R square, it is 14.144, 14.144 square. So it will be 400 minus, let us check the square of this. Okay, square of that 14.144 into 14.144, correct? So it is 200.05. 200.05. I will take it as 200 only. So 400 minus 200 will be 200. That is XL square. So XL will be equal to root 200. Root 200. So root 200. It is 14.14 again. Root 200. 200 root is 14.14. 14.14 XL ಜಾಗದಾಗ ನಾನು 2 pi FL ಅಂತ ತಗೋತೀನಿ. I will take it as 2 pi FL. So I want L ನಮಗೆ ಬೇಕ್ರಿ. So let us calculate L. L is equal to, it is 14.14 divided by 2 pi F, correct? 2 pi F. So L is equal to 14.14 divided by 2 pi into F. F ಎಷ್ಟದ ನಮಗೆ? F is 50, correct? Okay, so let us solve this. See, it is 2 pi, 2 into 3.142 into 50 into 50. That is 314.2. 314.2. So 14.14 divided by 314.2. 314.2. So let us divide that. 14.14 divided by 314.2. Right? So I will get it as 0.04500. 0.045 ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. 0.045 Henry. This much will be the inductance. ಇದನ್ನು ನೀವು milli Henry ಒಳಗೂ ಬರೀಬಹುದು. So L is equal to, I can write it as 45 milli Henry. This much I will get the value of inductance. ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫೇಸರ್ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಕೂಡ R ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಫೇಸರ್ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ R, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಯು ನೋ ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ Z ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತದ. ಹೌ, ಈಗ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಈಗ ನಮಗಿದು LR ಸರ್ಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಹಿಯರ್ ದಿಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ XL, ಇದು ನಮಗೆ XL ಇರ್ತದ್ರಿ, ಅಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ R, ಇದು R ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಹಿಯರ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ, ಹಿಯರ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ದ Z, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲೇ π/4 ಅಂತ ನಮಗೆ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್, see, for this triangle we want the value of R. Z value ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲೇ cos pi is equal to ನಾವು ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಅಥವಾ cos 45 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಅದ ಸೇಮ್ ಬರ್ತದ್ರಿ, ಅದ ಸೇಮ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಬಟ್ ಫೇಸ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕೂಡ ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. cos 45 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ, cos theta is equal to adjacent side upon hypotenuse ಅಂದ್ರೆ R/Z. ಮತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ ಅದೇ ಬರ್ತದ್ರಿ, we can calculate, right? Okay, let us go to the next question then. See, the next question is 0.11 millifarad capacitor and a resistor are connected. C capacitor, resistor R, andre idu CR circuit adri, LCR circuit alla. First question was on LCR circuit, second question on LR circuit, third question is on CR circuit. Are connected in series across 200 volt 60 hertz AC source. Calculate current in the circuit. We have to calculate current. Is a sinusoidal voltage of peak value 255 volts is applied to a series LCR circuit in which R is 5 ohm, L is 28.5 millihenry, C is 800 microfarad are connected. Find resonant frequency. Okay, resonant frequency ಅಂದ್ರೆ F naught ನಾವು find ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Impedance Z we have to find, current I we have to find, and power dissipated power we have to find at resonance, right? So this is what we have to calculate. Okay, let us calculate. See, it is an LCR circuit, LCR, all three are there. Resonant frequency ನಮಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ರಿ. So first resonant frequency formula use ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. Resonant frequency F naught is equal to 1/2 pi root of LC, 1/2 pi root of LC. Correct? So this will be 1 divided by 2 pi root LC. Root LC. How much is L? L is 28.5 millihenry, 10 to the power minus 3. How much is C? C is 800 microfarad. 800 into 10 to the power minus 6. 800 into 10 to the power minus 6. So 1 divided by 2 pi root of, we'll multiply this. You can calculate ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. Okay, so this will be 28.5 into 800 into 800. So this will give you 22800. 22800 into 10 to the power minus 3 minus 6 will be 10 to the power minus 9. Okay, so again we'll solve this. So it is 1 divided by 2 pi root of, say 1 0 from this, 1 0, 1 10 to the power minus 9 will get cancelled. So I will get it as 2280 into 10 to the power minus 8. Right? Take the square root of 2280. So 2280. Square root of this is 47.75. Okay, I will take it as 1 divided by 2 pi 47.75 I am taking. 10 to the power minus 8 if I take it out from the root again minus 4 ಆಗ್ತದ್ರಿ 10 to the power minus 4. If I take it to the numerator it will be 10 to the power plus 4, right? Okay, let us multiply the denominator things now. 2 pi into 47.45. So 2 into 3.142 into 47.75. So this is 300.061. So then now 300 anta ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. 10 to the power 4 divided by 300. So let us solve this. 10 to the power 4 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 2 3 4, right? So 10,000 divided by 300. So this will be 33.33. So the resonant frequency is 33.33 hertz. This much is the resonant frequency. Next, what we have to calculate? Resonant frequency, the impedance we have to calculate. See, at resonance, we know this very well. At resonance, the circuit is in resonance here, right? At resonance, XL and XC will be equal. Therefore, Z will be equal to R. Resonant frequency kya hota andre idu resonance olagadare. Circuit is in resonance, right? So Z is equal to R. How much is R? R is 5 ohm. So Z is also 5 ohm. So Z kuda namagu 5 ohm adu anta artha. So the next question is, a current of 0.5 ampere flows through a coil. Current namagu given ada, I is given, flows through a coil when a DC voltage of 50 volt is applied. Okay, DC voltage kottidare. DC voltage of 50 volt is applied. A current of 0.5 ampere again flows through the coil when AC voltage of 100 volt, 50 hertz is applied to the coil. Find resistance, impedance and inductance of the coil. See, ille first namagu DC circuit kottidare and then AC circuit is given. So DC source nodri, DC source adu voltage estadappa andre 50 volt namagu DC source adu. Our current estada, DC source connect madada current estada 0.5 ampere. AC source adu voltage est given adari. AC source is of 100 volt. How much is the frequency of AC? 50 hertz, correct? How much is the current during AC? It is again 0.5 ampere. AC source connect madadagu current estada anta ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, V ಮತ್ತು I ಅದ. V is equal to, ಈಗ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ R calculate ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. V is equal to I into R. So R is equal to, I will get it as V divided by I. So how much is V? V is 50. How much is I? 0.5. 0.5 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 by 2 half ಅಂತ ತಗೋಬಹುದು. So 2 into 50 will be 100. So how much is resistance? Resistance is 100 ohm. Correct? Okay, next we'll go for this. We have to calculate resistance. Resistance now calculate ಮಾಡಾಯಿತು. That is 100 ohm. Find impedance and inductance of the coil. So inductance L ಮತ್ತು impedance Z ನಾವು calculate ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Z we have to calculate. See, this is an LR circuit. Resistance, inductance ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ it is an LR circuit. So here in this case we can calculate. See, ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ V ಮತ್ತು I given ಅದ. So ನಾವು Z calculate ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. V is equal to I into Z ಇರ್ತದೆ. So I can calculate Z. Z is equal to V divided by I. Z is equal to V divided by I. How much is V? V is 100. V is 100. How much is I? I is 0.5. Right? So this will be 200 ohm. Z namagu 200 ohm bantu. So using Z you calculate XL. Using XL you calculate L. L calculate ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. So Z is equal to, we know for LR circuit it will be root of R square plus XL square. LR circuit is the root of R square plus XL square is the impedance. So ನಮಗೆ XL ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ರಿ. So XL square is equal to ನಂಗೆ ಇದು Z square minus R square ಬರ್ತದೆ. Z square means it is 200 square and R square. R is how much? R is 100. So ಇದು 100 square ನಮಗೆ ಬರ್ತದೆ. So 200 square. 2 square will be 40000 and this is 10000. So 40,000 minus 10,000, this will be 30,000. This will be 30,000. So this is XL square. So ನಮಗೆ XL ಬೇಕ್ರಿ. We want XL. So let us calculate XL then. XL. So 30,000 square root we want. 1 2 3 4. Right? Square root of this is 173.2. So 173.2 ohm. This much is XL. We can calculate L here. In place of XL, I will substitute the formula of XL. That is 2 pi FL is equal to 173.2. I want L. So L is equal to 173.2 divided by 2 pi into F. How much is F? F is 50 hertz. 50 hertz. Okay, let us multiply the things in the denominator. 2 into 3.142. 2 into 3.142 into 50 into 50. So it is 314.2. So 173.2 divided by 314.2. 314.2. Okay, let us divide these things then. 173.2 divided by 314.2. So this is 0.5512. 0.5512. So I got L is equal to 0.5512 Henry, or I can write it as L is equal to 551.2 millihenry. I can write it as millihenry. This much is inductance, right? So we calculated impedance, we calculated inductance. So that's all about the 5 marks most important numericals from alternating current. Hope you all have understood the questions. Dear students, if you like the content of this channel, please don't forget to subscribe the channel, and please share the channel, share the videos with your friends, right? Thank you so much. If you need anything else, please put a comment in the comment box, and please keep supporting and watching the channel. Thank you.